Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth review about these AI multimedia tools, which is ArkThinker. So let's quickly dive into it. The ArkThinker is a surprisingly big tool into one place, giving you AI video converter, audio editors, image enhancer, background removal, upscales, and even screen recording tools, which is great if you want everything under one roof. It's fast, supports tons of format, and the AI features makes quick edit feels effortless, which is a big win for creators who don't want to jump across multiple apps. The convenience is definitely a pros, especially with its online tools that don't require heavy installation, and many people love how well it handles 4K and 8K medias. But the platform isn't perfect. Many of the stronger AI features is behind a pay plan, and the free trial feels limited, which might frustrate you if you are expecting a full power right away. They also makes trust rating online, so while the tools works well, it's not seen as the most established option yet. The performance can also vary depending on your device, which might matter if you handle a bigger project. So in my opinion, I think ArkThinker is a solid all-in-one AI multimedia tools box for quick edit and everyday tasks, but it may not replace the professional grade software for heavy or sensitive work. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.